video gonna be a restoration on these Wolf Grade 3s. You can clearly tell they beat. The midsole need to be repainted. Clean them. That's what you should do before any custom or restoration you get. And the product I'm gonna be using is Angelus Easy Cleaner. You see it clean suede, leather, all that stuff. It's a real good cleaner. I'll have the link to it in the description. But yeah, though. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repaint this midsole. You can see already all that stuff. But then on the other side, it's not really that bad. So I'm gonna just repaint some. I'm not gonna strip the whole midsole. I'm gonna just repaint some of the parts that need to be repainted using Angelus flat black and flat white. Like I said before, link will be in the description for this stuff. But yeah, so after repainting the midsole, it's like a crispy white now. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repaint the uppers, the gray part. It's a little messed up everywhere. Since I didn't have gray, I made a mixture of black and white cement gray, and I'm gonna use that. So yeah. Alright, so last thing I'm gonna be doing is unyellowing this part of the midsole. I can't really use soy sauce or anything on it because there's no sunlight and I don't have any UV lights like I said earlier. But I mean, so I'm just gonna deep clean it, see how much of this dirt I can get off. Yeah, though. Alright, so last but not least, I gotta repaint the Jumpman and the air sound on the back tab. And then the scuffs all over the black, and I'm gonna get those out real quick. But yeah, then after this, the shoe should be done. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna use a detail brush because you see, like, this is really small. I can't use one of the other brushes, but you can get this from the same site I got everything else from, and just direct all that.